They make $10,000 a month from this completely faceless business, and literally anyone with a 9 to 5 day job and has got like 3 to 4 hours per day free time for a business like this can do this business. In this video, I will take you to a journey. I will use AI and break down the whole business model and show you step by step. You will learn everything you can do all by yourself, and then I will use AI and build the main component in front of you so you can again clone this whole system that I'm going to do. Let's begin. These guys make $10,800 per month minimum without showing face, and it's pretty much passive income, one of the best for people who have a 9 to 5 day job and they're looking for extra income. You might be saying, Mosh, they are already showing face in their website. Yes, this is just a photo. In most cases, they don't have any face anywhere. And in fact, in this business, they don't need to show their faces. Stay tuned because I am about to show you how they run their business and how can you clone the same business. In fact, I'm going to do it myself. All this I'm about to share with you is to launch a new business for me. And I'm sharing the whole process with you upfront. Sounds good? Let's go. Before we move forward, I have a question for you. Is there anything stopping you from smashing the like button under this video? Because you see, like button and share this video with your friends, family, social media accounts, then YouTube algorithm knows that this is a good video. They should show it to more and more people. And our content is all about helping you change and upgrade your financial condition. If you do that, then more and more people will know about this. They will get help and you will be a part of changing others' lives. What's stopping you? Go like and share. Oh, we have a goal of having 5,000 followers, subscribers by the end of this month. And without your help, we can't do it. Please subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet, and make sure you switch on the notification bell button, because this way YouTube will notify you when we will upload our next video and you will not miss the next one. Make sure you tell your friends and family to subscribe as well. Let's go. First of all, without even thinking, I will copy the URL, go to Perplexity AI, select deep research. I'll put the website link and say, I want to clone this business. What do I need to know? A broad question, and let AI give me hints of what I should ask. In the meantime, I want to do some manual research myself. SimilarWeb is definitely the first place I like to go. They get 82,000 visitors per month. That's a lot of traffic, my friend. The good news, yes, I call it good news, that they have only 26% US traffic. And with 26% US traffic, they're earning minimum $10,800. Are you saying, Mosh, where is money? I can't see no money. Money is on the way, my friend. Let's go and see where the traffic is coming from. And I have a bad news for you. I personally like paid traffic, and I super like social traffic. And unfortunately, they have almost no paid traffic and no social traffic. But they have 52%. Half of their traffic is organic traffic, which means they're coming from Google or other search engines. All right, this is a problem because it's not easy to do SEO or search engine optimization and get this kind of traffic. Should I dump the idea of starting this business? We got a report from Perplexity and it's huge, a lot of text. I don't have time to read it. So I'm going to ask Perplexity. Instead of going specific, I went kind of vague and broad and said, present in table. Or maybe I should write tables. Use a 6th grader's reading level to explain. Use ratings out of 5 and explain the reasons of the ratings. Go, and we'll come back later. Now I want to do more research on the traffic and make sure that SimilarWeb gave us accurate information is not possible. Okay, here we see they have 271,000 organic traffic and it's amazing. Are they really doing search engine optimization? I think yes. Look at this, they have 2,475 backlinks. That's a lot of backlinks. And these are the keywords they get traffic from: calligraphy alphabet, letters calligraphy, calligraphy letters. So to look for some organic traffic, I came to TikTok and searched with calligraphy. And subhanallah, look at this. The first account has 741,000 followers. These are all Arabic calligraphy. Subhanallah, it's beautiful. Now, do you understand? The whole thing is faceless. And even the page owner is wearing hijab and niqab. So it's completely faceless. Okay, let's go to her link. She has a shop and the prices start from £5 to weigh up to £40. She has an art shop, so you can directly buy her art. And she has a YouTube channel. 2.33 million subscribers. Completely faceless. Okay, at this point, I kinda regret making this video. This is not regular work. You cannot just start today and become a calligraphy artist tomorrow and maybe become a millionaire by day after tomorrow. Okay, this is really amazing and I want to follow this page, but I want to take a little deeper look for something easier. Looks like this can be something anyone can learn. Cool stuff. These videos are great. I think anyone can try, practice, and learn. 1.2 million followers. Completely faceless. Let's check her website. And Perplexity's report is ready. Let's go through this guy's business model. It's founded by twin sisters, so their twin identity makes their brand special and easy to remember. So if you just clone them, just do what they are doing, it may not work for you. They offer online courses like Flourishing Fundamentals, and these courses are their main way of making money. They give away free guides to get email addresses, and it's a smart way to find new customers by giving something free first. One of the things you should know that the business cost will be around $1,000 to start. It's not a big deal. Now here's the bad news. Copying another business exactly has only 1-star rating, which means it has a very low chance of success if you just copy everything. Creating your own unique approach is much better because in this case, you use their ideas, but you make them your own. Building skills and credibility. All right, we need to skip this part because we understand that either we have to learn or somebody else will learn and we can partner with them, or somebody else already has the skill. We just go ahead and partner with them. But the remaining part of this report made it very interesting. You need a website. It's essential to show your work and sell your courses. You need video equipment. Although it's faceless, they shoot their videos using camera even if it is just a phone, but it's still a camera. Course hosting platform, calligraphy supplies. Did you notice? There are lots of equipments needed, lots of elements, apparatus needed. Okay, now comes the marketing strategy. Free content strategy, email newsletter, social media presence, students testimonial, consistent posting. For making money, you need an online course, selling calligraphy products, in-person workshops. You need to know about course pricing strategy and multiple income streams. Standing out from others, finding your special angle. We have already seen some examples. This TikTok page has a unique and colorful approach, but this TikTok page shows more elegant, more Arabic. It's a different vibe for different kind of customer base. So finding your special angle is important. But how about you do not do anything? You help others do everything. Let's say, what are the ways to build calligraphy business without me learning calligraphy myself? And see what we get. Does this solve the problem that you don't have time to learn calligraphy? You don't have the skill yourself? Now let's go and check where they are making money from. If you click Join Calligraphy School, they have this community and they charge $9 per month for it. From 1,200 members, they make $10,800 minimum from this community alone. This video is interesting. Look how to learn calligraphy. I think even I can learn. And they explain this is called tracing. Tracing calligraphy is very soothing, like an adult coloring book, but for pretty writing. All right, so how to build a calligraphy business without learning calligraphy. Outsourcing calligraphy work. If you want to go to that path, hiring freelance calligraphers, working with design agencies, and finding calligraphy partners. This is what I was talking about. And it has a 4 out of 5 rating. You can team up with a skilled calligrapher and split the profits. In my opinion, that's probably the easiest. Hiring freelance calligraphers may give you good work, but you have to pay upfront. Now, digital calligraphy products, that's what I'm most interested in. Selling fonts made by others. Whoa! Online calligraphy generators. What? Print at home workbooks. Yes! This is exactly what I'm talking about. Calligraphy business services. Running a calligraphy marketplace. Business coaching for calligraphers. Selling calligraphy supplies. You can sell tools and materials that calligraphers need. Physical calligraphy products. Greetings cards made by others. Framed coats and art. Custom commissioned work. event-based calligraphy services, live engraving events, wedding calligraphy services, corporate event services. So I said, I want to build a digital business only and see what I get. Now, at any point, if you think it's a lot of work, you are a busy dad or a busy mom, or you have a 9-to-5 day job, then don't worry. The people I'm showing you, they are the real members earning real money from our program, and our program is 99% done for you. You can go to the link in the description and watch this free training, completely free to watch training, and learn about our 99% done for you program. It's a complete step-by-step program. It will answer most of your questions. If you still have questions, chat with this AI chat agent. It is trained to answer just like me. And if you still have questions, shoot me a DM on Instagram or a message on Facebook Messenger, and I will be more than happy to answer any of your questions. In the meantime, we will go and check what kind of website this creator has. This is her website. Grab free worksheet, master 8 basic strokes of brush lettering. And it's a free download. I just put my name and my email, and I want to see what happens. I basically want to know what she's selling, how she's selling, what are the price points, and how much money she's making. All right, so I'm going to download the free worksheet later, but join the 21-day brush lettering workbook. If I click join now, it takes me right here. That's the website. Are you seeing this? First, her name, and then for beginners, hobbyists, and retirees interested in calligraphy and lettering or finding relaxation. Then 21-day brush lettering workbook, digital download. Then all this text right here, unlock your creative potential and amaze everyone with your letters. There's one image of 100 pages tailored for beginners, from posture to projects. Everything you need is covered. Then act immediately and receive the following bonuses. She has some bonuses as well. And here we go. It's only $19. In the meantime, we got our suggestion from Perplexity. You can sell custom fonts, can create ones and sell forever with automatic delivery. Print at home workbooks. Kind of these workbooks, right? Easy to create and helpful for beginners learning calligraphy. Digital design packs. Calligraphy vectors template. Can be used in many different projects. All right. Online calligraphy courses. Once you make them or partner with someone and actually sell them, now it's time. You can create your own course, and you can create 2 types of courses. You can create calligraphy courses, and you can create how to make money with calligraphy course. So calligraphy courses can be beginner calligraphy courses, business courses for calligraphers, specialized technique courses, software training for digital calligraphy, digital design services, social media templates, digital logo design, website calligraphy elements, digital invitations, selling on digital platform. You can sell on Etsy, personal website, Creative Market, Teachable, or Gumroad. Now I want detailed marketing strategy for digital calligraphy business. In the meantime, I want to go and check the traffic of this website. So I'm going to go to similarweb.com. They have approximately 3,125 visitors, and I am excited about it because almost all their traffic are coming from social media. And I believe this is totally wrong. Their traffic may come from YouTube, but if you have a TikTok page with 1.2 million followers and you get like tens of thousands of views per video, most of your traffic should come from TikTok. However, as I saw this YouTube video, I'm gonna click here and then go to their YouTube channel. And subhanallah, they have 3.74 million subscribers across 4,000 videos. So if you make these videos, whether they're short or they're long, they can work for you on TikTok, on YouTube, and all other platforms. Okay, we can understand how to market our digital calligraphy product. Unfortunately, Perplexity AI again gave me a bunch of text. I don't have time to read. So I said, please present with table, rating, potentials, and reasons in columns. Use a 6th grader's reading level to explain. And let's go work. Okay, now we have something. Social media marketing, Instagram has 5-star rating. Pinterest has 4-star, TikTok has 4-star, and Facebook has 3-star rating. Potential, great for visual content. Reason, Instagram is perfect for showing off beautiful calligraphy designs. TikTok, short videos showing the process of creating calligraphy can go viral and attract lots of attention. Website optimization is true. We have already seen they get all their traffic from SEO. Beautiful portfolio, easy to use store. We know that this creator uses online shop to sell her work. So yes, online store work. Email marketing. We have seen these artists uses email marketing. They asked for my email first. I had to put my email to get to the next step. That means definitely they are going to send me promotional and follow-up emails, weekly newsletters, personalized emails, and then comes online courses, of course. Digital products like custom fonts, print at home workbooks, social media templates. We have already covered all this. Collaborations, paid advertising. You can do Google ads, Instagram or Facebook ads. So now I want to know how to launch a digital calligraphy business with an MVP, a minimum viable product, and a multi-purpose marketing system where the same work can build awareness, market, leads, and sales from multiple sources. Please present with table, rating, potential, and reason in columns, and of course, use 6th graders reading level to explain. Now I want to create an MVP, a super fast, minimum viable product. And I want to start quickly, start getting traffic, start getting sales. And once I get results, I will make a full business out of it. So here's the strategy. Create a basic website. The potential is high. A simple website can show your work, sell products, and collect emails all at once. Offer a free calligraphy guide. Amazing. Start an Instagram account. Okay. Make one digital product. Start with one product like a font or template. This gets you test what people want without making too many things at first. Write blog posts about calligraphy. All right, I'm not gonna do that, but anyways, create short video tutorials, partner with wedding planner. Okay, wedding planner? Okay, before wedding planner, the short videos can be used on Instagram, TikTok, and in fact on YouTube as well. This gets people interested in learning from you. Offer a simple online course. A basic course teaches people calligraphy and shows them you're an expert. And this can be done using the strategy these guys are using. On their school, at the bottom of the page, if you are not convinced, you can start with their free workshop. So this free workshop is nothing but a webinar. This webinar will give you education, present themselves, present their work, show their expertise, and eventually sell. So yeah, send me the free workshop. This is great. It's a 31 minutes long presentation or a webinar, and I received their email as well. I'm actually going to watch this because I'm very interested in this business. Oh, do you remember I opted into their mailing list and I just received their email with this workbook. Pretty cool stuff. You print it out and you just trace it. Now let's make a basic website. I think we should start from this website. I'm gonna copy this and I'll go to grok.com. It's basically Grok AI. I will use code and I will say, help me code and design the same website. Also, rewrite the copy of this website and go see how to create a website with AI without ever creating a website yourself. All right, it's almost ready, I guess. I'm going to click preview and wow, that is ugly. Grok, what have you done, my friend? So now I know that is not going to work. I'm going to take a screenshot of the full website. That's the screenshot. I will download it in JPG version and I will also download it as PDF because maybe I will need it. Saved. Now let's go to my most favorite, Cloud AI. Cloud is amazing. I'm going to upload the PDF. Rewrite the sales copy of this website using the same tone, same style. Just rewrite the message. But before that, write the customer avatar of this website. The website screenshot is attached in PDF. I hope Claude will not disappoint us. Here we go. The demographics is adults, likely 25 to 55, interested in creative hobbies, predominantly female, educated, and disposable income for personal development and artistic pursuits. Psychographics, pain points, desires, great. And now we have a revised sales copy. Awesome. Now I'm gonna ask code and design the website for me. And now Claude is coding. Look at this. It's working. It's pretty well done. Boom, boom. Look at this, my friend. Do you have any excuse for not launching your business today? Now, these are not real videos and this is not real image. Once you have your video ready, your opt-in form ready, image and everything else, you can ask AI to integrate them and it will be done in seconds. Hope this was great. If you like this video, hit the like button. If you hate this video, hit the share button and share with your friends, family, social media contact. Because even if you hated it, there are lots of information that I know will be helpful for your friends and family. So they will love you for sharing. Make sure you're subscribed to our channel, please, because we have a goal of having 5,000 followers, just 5,000 by the end of this month. And we can't do it without your help. And in return, I promise you, we'll shoot videos every single day, inshallah. To learn more legit money techniques, watch these videos, and we will see you on the next one.